Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram could not load activity. So guys, when you have opened your Instagram in iPhone and facing this type of issue, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys, after going to back, you need to open your settings on your iPhone. And guys, must you have to check that you have connected with internet or not. So guys, if not, then guys, you need to connect first with strong internet connection. And guys, after doing this, simply you need to go back. And guys, at second you need to open your general, and guys, click on VPN and device management. So guys, if you have connected with any VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back, click on language and region. And guys, you need to select your region according to your country. And guys, you need to check your date and time. Make sure that date and time is set automatically. And guys, after doing all the settings, maybe there is problem of network. So guys, you need to check your network problem. And guys, click on transfer and reset iPhone. Click on reset, and guys, you need to reset your network settings on your iPhone. And guys, after doing this, you need to open your app store here. And guys, after opening app store here, you need to search Instagram app. After searching this, you need to open your app here, and guys, you need to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing these methods, your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all the settings, if still not fix your problem, you need to open your settings again, click on general, and guys, click on iPhone storage. And guys, from here you need to open your Instagram, and guys, you need to offload your app. And guys, after doing offload, you need to reinstall again in your iPhone, and guys, log in again. And guys, after doing all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.